Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have what matters: a powered router, the Smart Home Bro app, and your login details. Once ready, plug the Bro unit in and place it within 6 feet of the router. Make sure your phone is on the same network. Enable Bluetooth and location permissions. Open the app, sign in, and tap Add Device Now. The app will prompt a QR scan or hold the button Pairing. Follow the on-screen pairing prompt immediately, since pairing windows close after about 60 seconds. Once paired, you move into Configuration. Select the correct SSID. Many smart devices need 4 GHz, then enter the exact password. Make sure you are not on a guest network that isolates traffic. After connection, name the device and assign it to a room so automations make sense. If the app offers a firmware update, install it now to fix bugs. Meanwhile, reserve a DHCP IP for the Bro in your router and disable AP isolation so devices can see each other. Finish by testing every function. Toggle power, run a scheduled scene, and link the Bro to your voice assistant. Make sure automations trigger reliably and that device names match rooms. Secure the network with WPA2 or WPA3, a strong password, and disable WPS. If something goes wrong, follow one key troubleshooting step. Factory reset the Bro, reboot your router, switch your phone to the 4 GHz network, and reattempt pairing. If issues
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.